Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the secrets of looking and feeling more youthful. Now, I've found that simply telling people what to do often isn't enough. Understanding why it works is the real key to lasting change. So, in this session, we'll explore both the what and the why behind a more youthful appearance. Whether you're new to this channel or a longtime viewer, this information will offer valuable insights. The fundamental truth about looking younger on the outside is that it stems from being younger on the inside. And when we talk about a youthful look, a central target is the accumulation of damaged proteins within our bodies. The more damaged proteins we have, both internally and externally, the more aged we tend to appear. So, I'm going to unravel various pieces of this intricate puzzle, but let's begin with a crucial concept: AGs. What exactly are AGs? They stand for Advanced Glycation End Products. In simple terms, these are the result of a sugar molecule binding to a protein molecule. When sugar and protein are combined and heated, they form these AGs, essentially proteins that are now damaged and rendered unusable. These AGs can wreak havoc throughout the body, but they also significantly contribute to an aged appearance. It's important to note that AGs can also form from the combination of glucose and fat when heated. Let's break this down with some everyday examples. Take ice cream. You're essentially heating glucose, lactose, milk sugar, and other sugars with milk proteins at very high temperatures. This process creates a product incredibly high in AGs. Ice cream is also a prime example of heated fat and sugar coming together. Another classic is barbecued ribs. You take protein-rich ribs, slather them in sugary sauce, and then apply heat. The result? A concentrated dose of AGs. Have you ever noticed feeling sluggish or experiencing sinus issues about an hour after eating barbecued ribs? This could be the AGs at work. That's why when preparing barbecue, it's so much better to opt for sugar-free sauces or dry rubs made with just spices and sea salt. Now, what about soda? You've got a high concentration of sugar, often caramel coloring, and the heating process during manufacturing. Not only are you consuming preformed AGs, but the sugar you ingest, combined with your body's natural temperature of 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, will also bind to your own blood proteins and other proteins, causing further damage. In fact, the A1C test your doctor might order measures the accumulation of excess glucose in your bloodstream over the past 3 months, essentially indicating the level of glycation occurring in your red blood cells. Ideally, your A1C should be in the lower fives, not 6, 7, or 8. A high A1C signifies significant glycation, leading to damaged proteins that can clog up various bodily systems. Consider a French fry. It starts as a starch, which is essentially a chain of glucose molecules, and then it's deep fried in fat. Fat plus starch, deep fried, equals a tremendous amount of AGs. If you're aiming for a prematurely aged look, consistently consuming fries is a fast track. The same goes for potato chips. Starch fried in oil. Not good. How about a donut? A deep-fried concoction of refined carbohydrates, likely cooked in corn or soy oil. A truly detrimental combination. I remember visiting the Kutztown Fair in Pennsylvania, where they deep-fried everything imaginable. Ice cream, potatoes, Oreos. It was a testament to AG production. Interestingly, you didn't see many young people looking vibrant walking around there. Then there's the classic burger. Meat with ketchup, nestled in a bun, often accompanied by fries and a Coke. That's an AGs on steroids meal, a perfect storm for accelerated aging. And this principle applies to pretty much every fast food combination you can find, from Chinese to Mexican cuisine. These are all examples of AG-laden foods that contribute to aging and are best avoided. So, how do we get rid of these accumulated AGs from our bodies? Fortunately, our bodies have a remarkable process called autophagy. Think of autophagy as an internal oven that can break down AGs, damaged proteins, and old proteins, like old skin cells, and then repurpose the resulting components. The term autophagy literally means self-eating. Your body is, in a way, consuming its own damaged parts to recycle and create new ones. Autophagy is incredibly beneficial for combating AGs, rejuvenating old, wrinkled skin, and is an essential process for maintaining a youthful state. The most potent way to trigger autophagy is through fasting. For those new to my channel, I highly recommend starting with intermittent fasting. I'll include some helpful links below, but for those who have been following for a while and are already practicing intermittent fasting, perhaps with 2 meals a day, I suggest considering OMAD, 1 meal a day. And for those already comfortable with OMAD, you might explore dry OMAD. What is dry OMAD? I'll be creating dedicated videos on this topic, but dry fasting, which involves abstaining from both food and water, creates a compounding effect, making the fast significantly more potent, perhaps 3 times as powerful as water fasting. So, with dry OMAD, you would consume no water throughout the day, except during your single evening meal. Some people even extend dry fasts beyond a single day, going for 2, 3, 4, or even up to 7 days or longer, as the body can generate water from its own fat cells. I won't delve too deeply into dry fasting in this video, as it's a more advanced practice, and I don't recommend it unless you've had experience with regular water fasting. However, if you're looking to take your anti-aging efforts to the next level, incorporating dry fasting with OMAD is something to consider. For youthful skin, it's also beneficial to get a certain amount of sun exposure, but it's crucial to avoid burning. Certain light frequencies or wavelengths, like infrared light, seem to buffer the damaging effects of UV radiation. The benefits of infrared wavelengths for a youthful appearance are significant, as they can stimulate the production of melatonin. If you haven't seen my video on melatonin, I'll link it below. Melatonin isn't just about sleep, it's a powerful antioxidant that helps neutralize free radical damage. All of your cells can produce melatonin with 2 distinct types, one for sleep regulation and another for antioxidant defense. Sunlight is a key way to stimulate this production. Just be mindful not to overdo it. Regular, moderate sun exposure is incredibly beneficial for a youthful glow, which is why we often look a bit older and paler during the winter months when sun exposure is limited. Now let's discuss your environment. Unfortunately, our surroundings are filled with chemicals, toxins, and pollutants. It's incredibly difficult to avoid them entirely. Thankfully, we have our liver, a remarkable organ that can dismantle these poisons. Heavy metals, pesticides, insecticides, pollution, chemicals in water and food, through a process called Phase 1 and Phase 2 detoxification. Your liver utilizes specific enzymes that can be boosted by certain foods to enhance this detoxification process. Therefore, a healthy liver is a crucial component of looking youthful. If your liver is cirrhotic, scarred, fatty, or inflamed, it will show on your skin. Anything you can do to strengthen your liver will contribute to a more youthful appearance. 2 key things to mention here are cruciferous vegetables. They contain phytonutrients that can boost your natural detoxification enzymes. And simply eating more vegetables in general, as they provide direct antioxidants that act like sponges to soak up free radical damage caused by inflammation, chemicals, heavy metals, and more. Incorporating more cruciferous vegetables like kale, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and arugula into your diet will support a healthy liver. Remember, maintaining a youthful look is an ongoing process. We need to continually prioritize our health every single day. Many of the poisons and toxins processed by the liver require bile for their elimination. Bile is therefore vital for a youthful appearance, not only for waste removal but also for the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, and K, and omega-3 fatty acids, which, while not a vitamin, is an essential nutrient. These fat-soluble compounds are crucial for healthy, youthful-looking skin. If you have insufficient bile production due to factors like a fatty liver, a low-fat diet, since fat stimulates bile production, or gallbladder removal, you'll likely end up deficient in these fat-soluble vitamins and omega-3s, hindering your efforts to look younger. This is why a combination of adequate bile production and sufficient healthy fat intake to absorb these nutrients is so necessary. People on very low-fat diets often end up looking older because they miss out on the benefits of vitamins A, D, E, and omega-3s. Let's briefly touch on the types of fats I'm talking about. Fatty fish like salmon are amazing sources of omega-3 fatty acids, essential for their anti-inflammatory properties and for counteracting the excess omega-6s prevalent in our diets, from corn oil, canola oil, soy oil, cottonseed oil found in many processed and restaurant foods. Excessive omega-6s contribute to inflammation and can accelerate aging, even affecting the eyes, age-related macular degeneration, and leading to older-looking skin. So, fatty fish is very important. Egg yolks are another powerhouse, providing significant vitamin A and choline, great for liver health and cholesterol regulation. They also contain lecithin, which helps regulate cholesterol. Don't fear the cholesterol in egg yolks. We need cholesterol to build healthy cell membranes and produce vital sex hormones like testosterone and estrogen, which contribute to youthful skin. People on statin medications to lower cholesterol often end up looking older and experience muscle issues and inflammation. And statins can also interfere with bile production, as cholesterol is a precursor to bile. Consider supplementing with purified bile salts if you suspect a deficiency to aid in the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients. Butter, especially grass-fed butter, is another good source of vitamin A. For vitamin E, excellent sources include sunflower seeds, leafy greens, nuts, and various vegetables. Vitamin E is crucial for both skin health and internal well-being. Cod liver oil is a fantastic 2-in-1, providing vitamin D, vitamin A, and omega-3 fatty acids. Beef liver is also incredibly nutrient-dense in fat-soluble vitamins, though I personally find the taste challenging. If you enjoy it, organ meats are nutritional powerhouses. Finally, extra virgin olive oil, avocados, and avocado oil are wonderful for your skin. In short, a low-fat approach is generally not conducive to a youthful appearance. Diets like the ideal protein diet, while ketogenic and low-carb, are also very low in fat and often result in a drawn, aged look with dry hair and skin. You might lose weight, but you won't necessarily look healthy or youthful. Here's an interesting point about vegetables. While you might not think they contain much fat, many of their valuable phytonutrients like chlorophyll and carotenoids are fat-soluble. To effectively extract these powerful antioxidants and phytonutrients, you need bile, and you need to consume them with fat. So, when you have a salad, drizzle extra virgin olive oil on it. When you eat cruciferous vegetables, add some healthy fat. Consuming greens with oil helps you absorb these beneficial compounds, which not only act as antioxidants but also support liver detoxification and even stimulate autophagy. Speaking of free radical damage, which significantly contributes to aging, our bodies have two lines of defense: endogenous antioxidants, those our bodies produce, and exogenous antioxidants, those we get from food. To obtain sufficient exogenous antioxidants, a diet rich in greens and vegetables is essential. Our internal antioxidant networks are boosted by exercise and fasting. In fact, fasting helps with nearly every aspect of looking youthful, including increasing internal antioxidant production. I've already discussed the impact of combining glucose with protein and fat, but glucose in general is a major aging accelerator. A high-carbohydrate diet is likely the fastest route to an older appearance. Look at individuals with diabetes. They often age prematurely. Sugar acts like rust, oxidizing not just the inside of arteries, eyes, nerves, brain, and kidneys, but also your skin. Every time you consume glucose, you also inhibit the function of vitamin C as their chemical structures are similar, effectively blocking this powerful antioxidant. Sugar consumption also depletes other antioxidants like vitamin B1. Essentially, a high-carb diet rapidly ages your skin. And of course, smoking drastically depletes antioxidants and vitamins, especially vitamin C, significantly increasing the body's demand for these nutrients due to the internal pollution. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for a more youthful appearance. If you're in the process of quitting or perhaps reducing alcohol intake, another aging accelerator, it's crucial to load up on antioxidants from food, prioritize greens, and incorporate fasting to counter the free radical damage. Another critical factor is stress. Stress puts your body into a state where it's primarily utilizing glucose for fuel, even if you've cut back on carbs, as your body will convert other resources into glucose under stress. It also has a catabolic effect, breaking down proteins, including those in your skin. Therefore, actively managing stress is essential for maintaining a youthful appearance. While we can't entirely escape stress, we can take proactive steps to counter its effects. Regular, consistent exercise, intermittent and prolonged fasting, physical work, and improving sleep quality. A particularly effective technique for managing stress is controlled breathing, especially nasal breathing and slowing down your breath, particularly during sleep. I have a detailed video on this that I'll link below. Mastering controlled breathing can even help manage panic attacks and keep overall stress levels in check. The quality and amount of protein you consume also matter. Opt for organic, grass-fed meats, wild-caught fatty fish and seafood for quality protein and skin-supporting trace minerals, and pasture-raised eggs over commercial varieties. A healthy ketogenic plan emphasizes a moderate amount of protein, not a high protein intake. Excess protein that isn't used to build body tissues is converted to fuel, creating metabolic waste. A simple guideline for moderate protein intake is roughly the amount that fits in the palm of your hand, perhaps twice that for men and once for women, to keep it easy. Finally, your microbiome, the trillions of microbes in your gut, plays a vital role in a youthful appearance. These microbes produce short-chain fatty acids, which help regulate blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. They also synthesize B vitamins, support your immune system, reduce inflammation, and even help produce secondary bile, crucial for absorbing fat-soluble vitamins. A healthy microbiome is essential for that youthful glow. One of the best ways to cultivate a thriving microbiome is by consuming fermented vegetables, with sauerkraut being a particularly potent food for skin health. Other fermented options like pickles are also beneficial, providing both prebiotics, fiber that feeds good bacteria, and probiotics, the beneficial bacteria themselves. I've packed a lot of information into this video, so I encourage you to take notes and perhaps watch it again. Implement these strategies for a more youthful look. And as I mentioned earlier, the next crucial video to watch is the one on autophagy, so be sure to check it out. I've linked it right here. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Try it out and let me know what you think in the comments below. Drop them in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.